How to fix update KB5062170 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2 or 22H2? Hello friends, KB5062170 is the out-of-band update for Windows 11 23H2 and 22H2 for May 2025. If you are facing any issue installing this update, then follow the steps. First thing first, try installing this out-of-band update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here you find 4 files, 2 for 22H2 and 2 for 23H2 for x64 devices and ARM64 devices. Check your system type to determine which file is compatible with your system. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, go to the right side and scroll down, click on About. Here is System type, 64-bit operating system and x64 based processor. In the same way, check the system type of your computer and find the relevant file here. This file is compatible with my computer. Check yours and click on download for the respective link. Here click on the download link. Let the downloading complete. Once completed, click on the folder icon. Right click on the downloaded MSC file and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. First, the Windows Update files will be copied to Windows Update cache. Then you will have to restart your computer. After 2 or 3 restarts, the update will be installed. If this method doesn't work, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services. You will have to make change in some services that have impact on the Windows Update process. The first one is App Readiness. Right click on this service, select Properties. You will have to make sure that startup type is automatic for every service we are modifying, and service status must be running. Here service status is stopped. When the service status is stopped, click on Start. And when the startup type is other than automatic, then change it to automatic. For app readiness, the startup type is automatic. Service status is stopped, so click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness, select Restart. In the same way, come to Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties. The startup type must be automatic. Service status is showing running. So click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, select Restart. Then look for cryptographic services. This one, right click, select Properties. The startup type is already automatic. Service status is running. Nothing needs to be changed. So click on OK. Right click on cryptographic services, select Restart. Click on Yes and come to Windows Update service. This is Windows Update. Right click on this service, select Properties. A startup type is already automatic. A service status is running. So nothing is needed. Click on OK. Right click on Windows Update and select Restart. Close the services window. After making these changes, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If KB5062170 is downloaded, let it install and restart your computer in the end. If the issue still persists, Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, Settings, go to System, click on Troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Get Help app will open. Wait for a while. Select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Permission to run the Windows Update automated diagnostic. Click on Yes. See if the update is downloaded. Else, did you solve the problem? If the problem is not solved, then click on No. Run the Windows Update error check diagnostic. Click on Continue. No Windows Update errors detected. If the problem is solved, then good. Else, you can contact support by clicking here. Now come to the next method. Reset Windows Update components. Go to the video description. You will find this link there. Click on this link. From there, a file will be downloaded in your default browser. Click on this folder icon. This is a zip file. So click on Extract All. Click on Extract. Right click on the batch file. Select Run as Administrator. Press a key on your keyboard. Do you want to continue this operation? Type Y and press Enter. Press any key to continue. Now restart your computer and then try to install the update. The next method is Run System Files Checker and dism command line tools. Click on Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. These are dism commands, and this is System Files Checker command. Copy the dism command first, the first line. Paste into the command prompt. Press Enter. Copy the second line. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Copy the third command. Paste into the command prompt. Hit Enter. Then run System Files Checker command. Copy from the description. Paste into the command prompt and hit Enter. Close the command prompt, close other running tasks, and restart your computer. Then again, check for updates. Third-party antivirus programs might interfere with the Windows update process. So if you have installed a third-party antivirus program, then uninstall it temporarily and then try to install the update. To uninstall third-party antivirus program, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, find third-party program in the list. I have not installed any third-party antivirus program. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus, then click on three dots, select Uninstall, click on Uninstall. Yes. On the uninstall wizard, follow the on-screen instructions until the program is removed and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.